100 crepe cake. 100 crepe layer crepe cake. 100 crepe cake. Hey guys, I'm Scott. I'm a tasty producer, and I've been challenged by Brenda to make a 100-layer crepe cake. Last season, we had a producer made a 100-layer lasagna, and when you hear that, you would guess there's 100 lasagna noodles, but he counted like the sauce, bechamel. When I'm gonna make a 100-layer crepe cake, there's going to be 100 crepes. Let's get started. We made a lot of crepes on Tasty. This rainbow one is amazing. Wow.
Well, imagine doing 100 different colors.
I'm not doing that.
What's that filling?
I think it's just whipped cream. We've got a recipe, let's get our ingredients. Go, go, go! It's like I'm on Top Chef or something. Flour, sugar, salt.
You got 10 seconds.
That's all there is.
All right.
All right, 2 tablespoons of butter with the milk and eggs. We'll whisk that together. Also,
Oh, it looks like a sad omelet.
crepe 1, pretty bad. Not, oh.
Woo! You got it!
Nice. We've made 4 and it's been half an hour. I want to get one of my favorite crepe cakes in the city and sort of dissect it, make sure that my crepe tastes like their crepe. All right, this is the best crepe cake in New York. And there was a sign in there that said there were 20 paper-thin layers of crepe. They're not counting the filling as a layer. So it seems like we're on the right track, counting 100 crepes.
It's mostly filling.
Yeah, it's like a sweetened whipped cream and just it's so delicate and thin of a crepe. I think this was good research.
Yeah.
I think I need to make my crepes thinner.
Okay.
I think that's all I really learned. We're back, day 2. I feel like I'm pretty good going into today. Yesterday we used 3 eggs, today we're gonna use 24 eggs. One of our tasty writers made a post, how to make a perfect crepe according to a French person. So now we're gonna take her recipe, scale that up to 100, and make a crepe cake. This is the biggest bowl we have in the Tasty Kitchen. I don't know how I'm gonna get this in there. Wow, so many eggs. I could use about 7 more people to help with this. Add the cooled butter. What? I feel good about this. My hand is like, I can't actually go straight in my hand anymore. This looks right. This looks like as creamy as it's supposed to look. We're gonna let this set for an hour, and I think we're in a good place. Not perfect. We're getting there. We're so close. Nice. I need a paper and a pen, and we need to just start tallying these up. Yeah. Oh, it's still usable. What?
Oh.
That is a good crepe.
Whoa, hold on.
Go, 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 go.
This is scary. Oh my God, Scott, this is, I'm sorry.
50 crepes.
That was the saddest celebration.
Let me know when we're at 100. This is the 99th crepe. Wow, my heart is racing. Number 100, coming at ya. All right, it's day 3. We made 100 crepes, but we've had a bit of an oversight here. So it's not supposed to be just whipped cream. It needs to be a pastry cream. And that way, when like all of this weight is on top of it, it just doesn't squeeze out. We have to make a huge batch of pastry cream, and then we also want to make 4 flavors. Do you have any advice on like how to tackle making these 4 flavors? I'm thinking, based on how I know to make pastry cream, mix in butter and vanilla when it's hot at the end. Like get like a stock pot and just like make pastry cream.
Yes, just make 1 big pastry cream. And then for strawberry, I would get a jam. And then chocolate, just literally chop up some chocolate and throw it in when it's hot, and then it'll melt and you can fold it in. Vanilla, I just add paste, vanilla bean paste, or even extract. And matcha, when it's still hot, I would put it in like a fine sieve or a strainer and like do this, and then fold it, and then do this, and fold it, and it should be fine.
I think it's all gonna have, so we'll add vanilla extract to just like the overall cream, and we'll kind of keep that.
Just leave that one plain then.
Leave that one plain. Oh my God.
What the heck is this?
Something Vaughn said yesterday really stuck with me. He said I wasn't being original or big enough. I'm not in the business of not going all out. If we assemble this crepe cake, it's just gonna be this leaning tower of Pisa situation. This is like cute, it's a crepe. This, tell me we shouldn't be doing this. You know what I have to do. Oh, it's tearing. This will go to the crepe. No, this is terrible.
Scott, that's awesome. That looks really good. Oh!
Wow. I have lost track of what day exactly it is. We spent a lot of time with the giant crepe maker. I'm not gonna be satisfied if we go with the smaller one. And yesterday, Brenda got me this guy. It makes them perfectly thin. It uses less batter. We've got 100 crepes to make. Let's do it. I'm 900% crepe right now. Oh my God, I lost count again. Nobody is here. I think I'm losing it. I don't think this was designed to be on for this amount of time, so I'm overall impressed that it's still working. Sometimes life gives you crepes. You gotta make good crepes and bad crepes. It's not a saying. This is number almost 90. This is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. It's very late. Nobody is here. Here we go. Yes. Here we go, bringing in 90. Oh, okay, 90's not beautiful, but that's fine. This is our last crepe. I'm losing it. Hurry up, crepe. I think it's done, which means I'm done. For today, at least. At least when I made the first 100 crepes, there was like a room that fake applauded for me. Nobody's here to celebrate with me. We did it. We've got a giant crepe cake 100 layer coming soon. Woo! This is it. I'm going to work. This is our last day of the 100 layer giant crepe cake. I stayed after last night to make all the fillings. This is it. This is the last day. Make or break. This is gonna be amazing. All right, this is 49. One more and we're halfway there.
I'm about to start crying.
You're about to start crying.
This adventure is almost done.
Still don't know if the other pastry creams have firmed up totally.
What layer is this?
Honestly, Brenda, I don't know. This is 50. We are officially halfway done. This is number 99. Ah! Number 100. Wow, I'm lightheaded. We're gonna throw this guy in the freezer, dust it with some powdered sugar later, and then we'll cut it and we'll serve it, and it's gonna be grand.
Okay, it's cutting pretty well.
Oh, I feel every layer. It's so satisfying.
Oh my God!
What in the actual world?
That's insane!
Can we get that in the freezer?
Yeah, seriously. Scott, you're just gonna have to cut another one. You're just gonna have to, okay, I'm leaving. And I'm gonna leave this production right now. So Scott's gonna be by himself. Oh no, Scott, I'm so sorry.
Let's just try to get chopped.
Yep. We're still gonna eat it.
Steven's here to inspect if I actually got 100 layers, which I did, so I don't know why he's here.
1, 2,
3, 4, melting together.
99, 100.
Scott just gave birth. He's a new mom.
Giant crepe cake coming through. It's so heavy. We've got 4 flavors, chocolate, strawberry, matcha, and vanilla. Does anyone want some? We did it. We conquered the 100-layer crepe cake. And it was cool to see how, when I sent the message to the office, people did come down. It is the biggest, craziest thing I've ever made. I think we made some people happy, and that's what really matters. This piece is much too large.